I have tried recording today's video 3 different times because yesterday's video took so much longer than expected. I'm really proud of that video. So that means that today's vlog is gonna be an old vlog that I never actually uploaded. Me and all my friends, we slept over in Pennsylvania, and I knew that it was the last time that I was gonna see all of them, so it was like a final goodbye, and we had a really good time. So here's some footage from that day. What's going on, people? My God, it felt good to say that again. If you follow me on Instagram and you've been keeping up with my stories, you may know I am leaving, like, forever. I'm not gonna stay in Jersey anymore. I'm gonna live out of my car and move to Florida and start like the daily vlog again. Oh man, that's gonna be scary. Today is pretty much like the last hurrah. I'm inviting all of my friends to go with me to Pennsylvania. We're supposed to spend like 2 days on the lake. It's kind of scary. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm pretty scared, but you know. What's kind of funny is I was actually gonna leave like a couple of months ago, but I decided not to. I'm free to go live my life and do stupid stuff with myself. I'm the first one that got here. I took a nap. I've been asleep for like an hour? Question mark? I'm currently losing my mind. No, I don't know what you're talking about. Because I don't really know what to do. I'm just gonna, like, I can't even take my dog on a walk because I forgot his leash. Man. Comment, let me know how you're doing. Shoot me a DM. Yeah, shoot me a DM at OMG Bensei. Right there. I'll get back to you, hopefully. Seems like people are here, buddy. Chickens.
No, I wouldn't have done that.
They ain't a lake house trip until someone's wrench falls out of the engine bay. Ugh. He got hooves, he got his boots, he got his motorcycle helmet, Taco Bell, sleeping bag, motor oil. That's a man's car. There's a mild problem with your car. Mild. Oh! Yeah, right there, you know. Good morning. My throat is sore. There was a lot of singing last night. I have this sound maker thing. It's to scare away bears or something like that. I want to use it inside to wake everyone up.
Don't wake Devin, he needs to wake up.
He's not up yet. Dan, go, just jump on his bed. Just jump on his bed. Hi, Mayor. You happy? You go poopy? As soon as possible, I guess.
That's not an agenda, that's a time. What's the agenda? 9:15 probably. Yo, Dan, jump off the balcony onto the couch. Just turn the light on.
Oh.
I hate that shit.
I didn't know you knew how to read. Alright, so get ready so we can go diner.
This one
I will be ready at 5.
Alright, we're at the lake right now. Number one goal though, we have to get on somebody's boat. I want to get on somebody else's boat.
You have to get on somebody else's boat.
Alright, who just had a really good swim. We have to find the boat. The boat. We gotta find the boat. I think we just gotta check every single one.
Dad's boat.
Can we hop on your boat? Alright.
Thanks. Thank you. Have a good day.
Well, we'll get someone. We're gonna get someone. Oh, maybe them. They're young. You wanna ask the guys at the end? Guys, can we hop on your boat? Okay. Can we hop on your boat?
They got too many
No?
people on
So many. All right. Ah! All right, let's do a last run. Last ditch effort. Let's try it. We'll just speed run everything. We just got him on the last run. Let's go. This is great. This is literally the last run, and we actually got one. We actually got one to take us out. All the other boys disappeared. I don't even know where they are right now. Oh. Ooh. Are there ties here? Thank you so much, man. Hey, that's what's up, guys. But seriously, guys, if there's anything that you can take away from this, do not ever give up on what you want, ever. This is life, man. This is living. This is so fun.
Operator's already gonna reduce the animal.
Do you love me, baby? I know you love me, baby. Show me you love me, baby. Pegasus. Pegasus, Phantom.
Stop with all the gibberish and the wibberish.
Gibberish, wibberish, gibberish, gibberish, gibberish. Deborah. Malabrish. Canatabrish.
Deborah-bis.
Deborah-this.
Fella.
Fella Brebis.
Philip.
Philip Deborah.
Lenny!